Hey ladies, so yet another change. I'm so sorry, but trying to make this easy for y'all, but also easy for the cafeteria, and then also easy for the delivery person, as well as the homeroom teacher. So many moving parts in this, and this is why we had to keep editing it. But at the end, I still think this is the way to go because these kids are still getting their time out in Reg Ed. So today I've already done all this for you, but I'm doing it to show you what to do for the next time for tomorrow. So what you'll still do is you'll still go into this document and still put your lunch choices here. One change with this, we are going to have to put zeros in, and I'll show you why in just a minute. So I've already done Betsy's to make sure this works, and now I'm going to show you and walk through with Lynn's. All right, so I put zeros in the blanks. Lynn had already put in her numbers. So what you'll do is you'll just highlight starting from the name all over. Press Control C for your shortcut for copy, or you could right click and do copy. And then we are going to go to our lunch count like you normally have before in the past. Select JMB. Grade level doesn't even matter. Just select whatever you want to. Put your name, and you're going to put zeros, 0, 0, and 0 for your choices. Then in the special notes section, you're going to Control V or right click and paste to put your kids' names in there, and then you submit. That way, when Renee gets it, she has everything all in one location, and in the event that there's a sub for her, they don't have to have access to that form. That may not happen, that everything will be in here. So cross out everything else we've already talked about, and you'll follow through that way. So just really quick, if you need to, you will just copy and paste each day your choices after you put them in there. Copy, put into the lunch count form from your desktop, and submit. And that's all that you'll need to do. So hope that is okay. Again, today is already done for you. You will start doing that for tomorrow. If you have any questions, just let me know.